morning, Valencia.
Yeah, man, how you doing? You good? I know you like that. I know you like that. How long you been back?
Good morning, Valencia.
I see the girls in the club, they're getting wild for me. And all the pretty chicks all wanna smile
Good
at me.
morning,
These rap
Valencia.
cats, man, they all got this style for me.
Good morning, Valencia.
And they probably bow to me. And when this beat drop, I know they gon' lean.
The VHS Open House, aka Taste of Valencia, is Wednesday, August 16th from 5:30 to 7 p.m.
There will be music, food trucks, and a celebration for AP superstars. Make sure to bring your families.
Jags, make sure to get your schedule locked in by Friday, August 11th. There will be no schedule changes after the second Friday of school.
This Thursday during Jag Time, we'll be installing super important updates to our MacBooks. Be sure to be in your Jag Time or else all your stuff isn't going to be able to be saved. And that would suck. That's really bad.
Our first assembly is Friday, August 25th, the same day as our first football game. Be sure to bring your spirit and be ready to get loud.
Thank you and have a great day.
Have a splendid day.
You know you like that.
Have a great day, Jags.
You know you like that. You know you like that.